Hello, how are we doing? Just while I'm waiting for my dinner to cook, which should take about an hour, that gives me a bit of time to do something I've been wanting to do for a while. You might remember from a previous video, one of my GoPros ended its life quite sadly. Now they say, well, GoPro says that their Hero 9s are waterproof. No, they're not. Not even remotely. I got it down to about 2 meters in the sea, and it lasted 30 seconds. You know, they're not even slightly waterproof. They're just good for land, and that's about it. They're wonderful cameras, don't get me wrong, but you need a waterproof case for it if you're going to put it in the sea or in a swimming pool, etc. So that hasn't lasted long at all. I'm going to be filming it with my Fujifilm camera, so you get a view over there. I'm going to stick this other GoPro somewhere nearby so you can get a shot of me shooting it. I'm going to be using my Gamo Phox air rifle. It's a 230 bar 2.2 air rifle. It is pretty powerful, you know, enough to make your eyes water, but at the same time, if you want to just threaten someone with it, you could grab a stock with this useful handle here and twat someone with it. So yeah, multi-purpose. So let's set the camera up. Let's have a bit of fun. Holds 10 rounds. Well, I've got my tin full of pellets now, so we should be able to do plenty of shooting with it. Let's see what we can do. I've got this set up for about 10 yards because I've been shooting rats in my parents' garden for them. So I have to aim a little bit above where I'd usually shoot. Oh yeah! Yeah, that's a nice one. See that little dent I've made just beneath it as well. Check that out. Whoopsie daisy. Yeah, very messy. Nice. I think the screen just blew off it. Yeah, looking a bit worse for wear. Cool. Right. That rear screen's really coming off now, isn't it? Yeah. A bit of pellet in there. Another go at the back, and then try some more at the front. Got a nice little collection of pellets in the screen there. And there's a couple in there. A couple of pellets rattling around as well. Just something to do on an afternoon when you're not got much better to do. But yeah, that was me destroying my GoPro anyway. Well, I think the back's starting to come off now as well. Anyway, yeah, cheers for watching that. Just something to do while I'm bored in a chalet that I'm currently in the middle of demolishing. I'm going to keep it, and we'll most likely shoot it a bit more and just see what happens, see how long it can last. But otherwise, yeah, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Thank you.